Ever hopped on the crypto train and ended up with a haul you want to move off the exchange? Maybe you've been diligently trading or finally decided to cash out some of those sweet gains. Whatever the reason, understanding how long a Gemini withdrawal takes is crucial. After all, nobody wants their hard-earned crypto stuck in limbo. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of withdrawal times, let's address the two main types you'll encounter on Gemini: crypto withdrawals and fiat withdrawals. That's fancy talk for regular money. These beasts behave differently when it comes to hitting your account. Crypto withdrawals, faster than a block on the chain. Let's talk about moving your crypto out of Gemini. Generally, this process is pretty speedy. We're talking most crypto withdrawals being processed within a blazing fast 2 to 3 hours. That's quicker than that next meme stock tip you just heard about online. However, it's important to remember that this is an estimate. In rare cases, it could take up to 48 hours for your crypto to show up in its new home. So, while it's usually a Speedy Gonzalez situation, be prepared for a slight possibility of waiting a bit longer. Why the slight delay, you ask? There are a couple of reasons why even crypto withdrawals might take a bit longer than hitting order coffee at your favorite shop. Firstly, different cryptocurrencies have different network speeds. Think of it like rush hour traffic on the blockchain highway. Some cryptos, like Bitcoin, have a higher volume of transactions, which can lead to a bit of a backlog. Secondly, Gemini, like any responsible platform, needs to ensure the security of your transaction. There might be some additional verification steps happening behind the scenes, adding a touch more time to the process. Fiat withdrawals, a slower dance, but still gets there. Alright, now let's shift gears and talk about fiat withdrawals. This is where you're taking your crypto and converting it to cold, hard cash that you can use in the real world, think paying rent or that new gadget you've been eyeing. Here's the thing, fiat withdrawals typically take longer than crypto withdrawals on Gemini. We're talking an average of 3 business days for the funds to hit your bank account. This might feel like an eternity in the fast-paced world of crypto, but there's a good reason for it. The banking bureaucracy boogie. Remember, when you do a fiat withdrawal, your money is essentially going through the traditional banking system. And let's be honest, banks aren't exactly known for their lightning speed. There are a bunch of hoops your money needs to jump through before it lands in your account. These hoops could involve things like verification checks and intermediary bank transfers. While it might not be the most exciting process, it's a necessary evil to ensure everything is done properly. So, how can you speed up the process? Unfortunately, there's no magic trick to make your withdrawal hit warp speed. However, there are a few things you can do to ensure a smooth ride. Double-check your bank details. Make sure your bank account information on Gemini is absolutely perfect. Any typos or errors could lead to delays, or worse, lost funds. Verify your account. A fully verified account on Gemini can help expedite the withdrawal process. Most platforms require some form of verification to comply with regulations. Avoid peak withdrawal times. If you're really itching to get your hands on your money, try initiating the withdrawal during off-peak hours. This could help minimize any processing backlog. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.